In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shorten page length on Wix. This tutorial will be straightforward and easy to follow, so let's dive right in. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Wix account. If you're not yet logged in, head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is essentially the control center for your Wix websites, where you can do everything from editing to managing settings. Now, to get to the core of today's task, click on the Edit button next to the website you wish to modify. This action will take you directly into the Wix editor. It's a great tool that provides a visual representation of your site, making it easy to see what adjustments need to be made. In the editor, you'll likely notice plenty of empty space on your web page. Sometimes this space can make your page feel endless and perhaps less engaging. The good news is that reducing this unwanted space is a simple process. Upon examining your page, locate the double-headed vertical arrow. This arrow is your key to adjusting the page length. Now click and hold this arrow. With your mouse button held down, drag the arrow upwards to shorten the page. As you do this, you'll notice the page length decreasing as the empty space vanishes. It's a simple action, yet highly effective in making your web pages appear more concise and professional. And that's really all there is to it. By reducing the blank areas on your page, not only does your site look cleaner, but it also enhances the viewing experience for your visitors, making everything they're interested in more accessible. Plus, building a site that's engaging and easy to navigate can help you retain visitors and ultimately accomplish the goals you've set for your website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. It just goes to show how small tweaks, like shortening the page length, can have a significant impact on the overall look and feel of your website. If you did find this video useful, don't forget to like it and share it with others who might benefit from these tips. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more web building tutorials and design tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next